we have real quotes from real people that are in the professional service industry. And it's really unfortunate that this market is severely underserved with a bunch of shit software to manage their business. 64% of professional services can't scale their business or either go out of business. It's not because they have bad quality work. It's because they can't properly capture their billable time and they can't properly manage their resources. My name is Patrick Clements, and I'm the CEO and one of the co-founders of SherpaDesk. And we're changing the way professional services really manage their customers, capture billable time, and monitor their project's profitability. So back in 1999, a little startup you guys heard of called Salesforce really revolutionized the sales automation space for companies that are selling products. Well, fast forward today, professional services market has been largely underserved. And so we're taking that same vision that Salesforce did and providing a platform for professional services and people that are using time as their main revenue driver. So today, professional services are inundated by the number and the complexity of tools it takes to run their business. The web is an amazing platform that allows us to integrate these third-party systems together. But as these small, medium-sized businesses begin to grow and scale, a lot of these systems begin to break down. And now, as somebody was mentioning, millennials are coming on board. Professional services are growing. We got more graphic designers, software developers, and people that are working independently. But there's no network to allow these guys to collaborate on projects together, share time, do tasks. And so there's no easy way for them to work on projects together. So that's why we created SherpaDesk. And it's really an application developed and designed to really cut out the chaos of managing multiple applications and breaking down the barriers of allowing these independent professional services to be able to collaborate together. We're focusing on really four main areas. One is be able to capture customer support issues and create that, capturing that conversation. Two is capturing billable and non-billable time. And three is monitoring project success and profitability, all while creating a community or network allowing these organizations to work on each other's projects, time, and billing. So now I'm going to take a second to go into the demo. If I can preview this now. The one reason that a lot of professional services like to use our application is because of the mobile application aspect. Here's what we see is more of the web view, but we have a fully functional mobile application, and as a technician, we can see a dashboard of everything that's currently relevant to me as far as open tasks and tickets and projects. So I'm just going to go to one of our open tickets. And we're going to go, and this is our ticket work list. These are open requests I have with my users. And I'm going to, so this is what we call a ticket detail. But from the mobile application, I have the same experience. So I'm not really bound by actually working off the web. And so I'm going to go to the same ticket on my system, or my application. And so let's say I identify that there's actually a problem, and I'm going to take a picture. All right, everybody smile, wave, all right. And I'm going to use this photo, and I'm going to say, here's the problem right here. This is the problem. And I'm going to add this to the ticket. So say I'm also on site, and I need to log my support time. I can just simply go to the time, and I'm going to add 2 hours of support. And then I'm just going to hit that. So from here, I'm able to easily manage my customers and track my time and expenses. So being the web and mobile application being completely synced, as soon as we update the ticket, we can see all the information is included in the ticket. So it doesn't matter if I have to be in the office, but I can also be in the field. We can also see that there's a rate that's been assigned. So every company can have an assigned rate and an assigned plan to what we're going to invoice the customer and also what we're going to pay the technician. And so it's like, okay, we're ready to invoice this guy. So we're just going to go simply to the invoice section. This is going to give you a list of all my available invoices that are queued up to ready to be reviewed. And here's our guy right here. This is going to give us the invoice details. So we can see here's our $90 that we currently have queued up, and then the whatever labor tax rate that's been assigned to this particular account. We think this is good. How do you scroll? And we're going to create the invoice. Now, SherpaDesk also integrates the most leading accounting solutions like QuickBooks, Xero, and FreshBooks. And it's as simple as we got rated as one of the top integrators for QuickBooks into QuickBooks last year. And so once it's set up, you can just simply click on the QuickBooks icon. The icon goes green. We know it's been synced. Bada boom. And then once we can go into QuickBooks, oh god, and we'll log out. So this would be for the actual administrator that's logging into the system, that's ready to queue up the invoices. And we can probably see that invoice right here. There's a Gene point invoice. We see that it's been queued up and it's ready to send out. So this is just one of the simple ways that we're helping, professional services easily capture time, easily capture expenses, and get that quickly entered into QuickBooks to get paid. So if anybody has any other questions on some of the features and functionalities, definitely come and talk to us for questions. Okay. So target market right now is small, medium-sized businesses, anybody usually under 100 employees. We're in several verticals right now. IT support and MSPs is one of our main target focus right now. But we're also in graphic designers, software developers, consultants, and accountants. But right now we're really focused on IT support and MSPs.
How much does it cost?
So we're on the freemium model. So the first agent is free. You get the entire application as well as QuickBooks integration and the mobile application for free. Then as you start adding more technicians or agents to your platform, then it's $39 per month.
You mentioned that you can track unbillable hours. Do you have a tool that allows you to analyze the total profitability factoring in out to 3 unbillable hours?
Yeah, so we track both billable and non-billable time, and it's usually set up by the type of rate plan that you have with a particular customer. And then when you're adding the time, you can either mark it billable or non-billable. I didn't really get into the application much, but I'll show you if you want to check it out. That each account and each project that you have set up, you can track the profitability as far as this is how much we've invoiced out, and this is how much it's cost us internally. And then it gives you a happy face if you're profitable. It gives you a frantic face if you're not profitable. And that also includes expenses and travel that get included in that profitability margin. And you can run diagnostic reports and say how much are we billing on billable and how much are we billing non-billable.
You guys actually process any payments, like credit card payments and stuff like that?
Okay, so the question is, are we processing payments? This is on our technology roadmap. We're going to be looking to integrate Stripe and Square to actually do on-site payment processing. So right now, agents can enter time, expenses, travel from the mobile application. They can also send out invoices from the mobile application. They can't yet take payment, but this is going to be on our roadmap in the next 6 months. That's right. So there's a lot of time tracking apps out there, like Timely, Harvest, Toggle. What we're providing is more of a platform for professional services that includes project management, account management, time tracking, rate plan, asset management. So it's more of a complete. We're in a category called professional service automation, and typically professional service automation is more of a industry focused applications. So you have PSAs for IT support, you have PSAs for accountants, PSAs for attorneys. What we're really focusing on is creating more of a ubiquitous play, or such as Salesforce, that really concentrates on tracking time, managing projects, profitability, and monitoring the conversation with the end user. So for like Harvest, we have a help desk component that allows for service level agreements, tracking response times that that they particularly don't have, but we would integrate into Harvest. If you say it would be like Harvest, like Harvest system, or like a Zendesk system, we would integrate into Zendesk. We wouldn't keep the help desk component.